Today we're going to take a look at a case from Benks. This is the Armorgrid case for your iPhone 17 Pro, and it is a Kevlar type case as well as a phone grip stand, which we will take a look later on in the video. So keep it locked and subscribe if you have not. So taking a look at this case, I've actually been using it for a couple of days now, and honestly, I'm loving the texture and feel of that little weave feeling pattern on the back. It does feel nice and grippy. There's these little nubs on the corners over here on the end of the phone, which acts as like a base to help prop it up with that camera plateau aluminum ring, which is actually covered very nicely, and it does have a little bit of branding. And if you were to use a protector on there, it would work fine. Plenty of lip around surrounding that screen there with a tempered glass screen protector. I have a thick one, so this one is covered very exceptionally well, and it does have more than enough lip to cover yourself for any drops. Now, covering it over, there is no interruption with the speakers. There's no muffled sound. The buttons are actually very lowered into the frame of the case. They are anodized aluminum buttons, which are actually very nice, but they are not as tactile and clicky as I had hoped they would be. I wish they were a little bit more raised, but nevertheless, it doesn't deter the actual functionality of the case. You do have a camera control button there, and it is functionable. Not the best one on the market. It works just fine as intended, but there's a little bit of a delay, as you can see as I'm swiping through the menus here. Again, I am exaggerating a little bit here just to kind of show you. Other than that little nitpick thing, it works just as intended, so nothing to worry about. Feels so good in the hand. It's very light. It feels good. The TPU sides are so nice and velvety feeling with the back. The only thing I will make note to is if you have that open camera plateau, there's dust that does get inside the corners. There's a little bit of debris from this angle if you take a quick look. But if you do put camera protection, like a complete full plateau camera protection, you don't have to worry about that. So with that being said, if I was to compare it to another case, I would say the Kadabi sheath case, only because it's very minimal. It does have the same type of anodized aluminum buttons. As you can see, the Kadabi case is a little more raised. They're a lot more tactile feeling as versus the Benks case, which has a little bit of a mushy feel. They're not protruding up higher enough for me, but personally that's just a little nitpick. Other than that, it's still a very solid, amazing overall case. For the lip protection, if I was to compare to the Kadabi, they both feel great. Like there's a full camera plateau protection coverage for the sheath that I have. The textures, they're both grippy. In-hand feel great. But I would say that the Benks case is lighter overall. They got the same amount of screen lip. In terms of screen lip and bulkiness, I would say the Kadabi is more on the bulkier side. Now, I'd like to say that Benks did send these over to me for review, so of course they're not paying me to say anything about this stuff, but nevertheless, they did send this actual kickstand. It is an anodized aluminum kickstand, pop socket type phone grip, magnetic stand, which is really cool. It's secure. It feels light as well. You can use it as a pop socket. Has the same type of texture on the back as the little Kevlar weave, so it matches the phone case. Actually very nice. The magnetic strength between the two is strong. Even if you were to use any type of accessory, you're not going to have any issues with it falling off. I think Benks did a very good job this year. This is actually a much better case than the 16 series. Very, very well done, and I'm very impressed with basically everything about this case, and the kickstand functionality that they gave with the pop socket is so cool and unique. You can't go wrong with this combo. So if you like this video, ask any questions, but overall this is a fantastic case. Well done.